Okay, lesson 31. First thing says to write the negative reciprocal of each of these numbers. So that means you're going to flip them, that's the reciprocal part, and change the sign. So this one's 4/3. This one I've got to change. I've got to first change it to an improper fraction. So this is 7 times 8, which is 56, plus 3, which is 59. So this is negative 59/8. So I'm going to flip it and change the sign. So 8/59. This one is 5/1. So I'm going to flip it and change the sign. So negative 1/5. So the negative reciprocal of this is what? You're right. Negative 5/8. So it says find an equation line that's perpendicular to this line and passes through that point. So you have to know something. You have to know that perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. Of course, that's why we did all this. So let's find the slope of this line. So I'm going to take the 32 to the other side. Then I'm going to divide by 8, and I get negative 4x, right? Okay. So the slope of this line is negative 4. I want the line that is perpendicular. That slope is going to be a positive 1/4. Okay? And it goes through this point. So I use y equals mx plus b. I use this y, this m, this x, and then I find b. So negative 5 equals m 1/4 times x plus b. That's 0, so I get negative 5 for b. So now I write my equation. So y equals this m 1/4x minus 5. Okay? I didn't leave enough room to do that, obviously. Number 4 says, which shows the slope-intercept form of the line passing through this point and perpendicular to this one. Okay, if it's perpendicular to this line, the slope has to be negative 2/3. So it's either that one or that one. Okay? So these cannot be an answer, first of all. Okay, now I need to, in other words, I got to figure out what b is supposed to be. So I know that I'm going to use negative 2/3 and this point. So use y equals m, which is negative 2/3, times x plus b. So this is negative times a negative, so it's going to be a positive. The 3's are going to cancel. So when I subtract 2 from both sides, I'm going to get a negative 7, right? So b is going to be negative 7. So now I know it's this one right here. Okay, let's look at this one. We know that these interior angles add up to 180, but we also know that this is an exterior angle. And if it's an exterior angle, then the exterior angle theorem says that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So that's going to be x and 93, right? And I know that exterior angle is 126. So I can subtract 93 from both sides, and I get that x is 33. And I don't know why I did that on a slant like that. Sorry. Oh, goodness. So flip it over, and you try the one on the back. Pause the video while you do it. Okay, let's look at it now. So we're not using this right yet. That's for something else. So we're going to say 123 is equal to, oh man, now see, we don't have that angle. This is an exterior angle, and that's an exterior angle, isn't it? I can't figure out that angle right away. But see, now you see why I have that, because I could use this exterior angle and say it's equal to the sum of these two, because I can figure that one out because I have that. So I can say the exterior angle equals 95 plus, and it's not 123, but it's 180 minus 123, because they're supplementary. So it's going to be 95 plus, when you figure that out, you get 57, right? So you get 152. Okay? Have fun.